The plumbers don't want you to know this secret. After watching this video, you won't need the plumbers anymore for when the toilet gets stuck. Today, I will teach you an infallible trick to solve this problem. To start this advice, first I will take a container and add an egg to it. The ideal thing is to remove the yolk, since we will only use the egg white. Next, you will need to add 2 tablespoons of detergent or liquid soap. The detergent has a degreasing effect, which is effective and essential to clean mainly the drains and toilets. With the help of a spoon, we will mix it well. The next thing will be to go to the toilet and add the mixture that we prepared just in the obstructed bowl. The use of sodium bicarbonate will also be necessary. We will add 2 tablespoons. Bicarbonate has an effervescent effect that is essential to loosen the clogged. Next, we will also use white vinegar. Vinegar mixed with sodium bicarbonate will help remove any obstruction in the pipes. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a special greeting. Now I will reveal the importance of this advice. When the toilet has been clogged deeply, traditional detanglers are useless. So just following this step, you will solve any problem with toilet obstructions. At this point, we are going to use plastic wrap. These are the same that we usually use in the kitchen. When dispensing the paper, we only need to completely cover the toilet so that it prevents any air entry. Once it is completely covered, we are going to exert constant pressure with our hands. This generated pressure uses the force of compressed air and manages to unclog the toilet. It is necessary to use enough plastic to prevent it from breaking or opening a hole. This way you also avoid leaks on the sides. Then you must unload the toilet several times until you have eliminated all the dirt that caused the obstruction. If you got here, leave me the phrase, so I will use it. That way I will know that you stayed until the end. Today's greeting is dedicated to Samuel Salazar from Colombia. I am glad that you are enjoying our advice.